Hello everyone and welcome to JOCO Outdoors. I'm Brian and we're here with another barbecue episode. Today we're doing barbecue chicken, but we're gonna do it two different ways. I'm gonna go over those, kind of show you what we've done, what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna do a taste test at the end. The last time I done a barbecue chicken video, we didn't do a taste test. Completely my bad. I had visitors over that night and everybody was hungry, so we just kind of skipped through that. My apologies completely, but we're gonna do one today. Our cook temperature is gonna be at about 250 degrees. Probably gonna cook for anywhere between an hour and a half, 2 hours. I've got roughly about 8 breasts that we're cooking, boneless, skinless breasts. We're cooking on the Expert Commodore pellet grill, and we are using our Pit Boss classic blend pellets. So I'll show you those real quick. Let me grab the bag. I've already got them in the hopper. But there's the bag. And real quick, I'm going to take you over to the hopper and show you what it is that I'm going to show you real quick where we fill them at, where we put it in at, how big it is. This thing actually does really good, but let's go right over here. Alright, so right here, right inside the hopper, we have our pellets. It's the Pit Boss classic blend. And that classic blend is it's a blend of pecan, mesquite, and hickory, I believe. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, the classic blend is a mix of pecan, mesquite, and hickory. That's what we're using today. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna get you over here to the food. I'm gonna show you, go over some things and show you what we've done. We've got some breasts we've been letting marinate. We've got other breasts that we're gonna season up. I'm gonna put seasoning on both of them, but we're gonna talk a little bit about that. So let me get you over here to the food. We're gonna go over seasonings and everything, and then we're going to get it thrown on the grill. All right, let's get to the food. All right guys, we've got 4 breasts here, and we've got 4 breasts in here we've been letting marinate. Now we've been this is kosher dill pickle juice. Okay, my wife does a spectacular chicken tender recipe that is dill pickle chicken tenders. You guys can probably find it somewhere online. But she fries those up in the air fryer, puts breading on them and everything. So what I've done is I've went out and I've purchased this Mrs. Wage's kosher dill pickle brine mix is what it is. And on the back it's got all the stuff that you need. You need 3 1/3 cup distilled vinegar, 7 1/3 cup water, 1 pouch of this, and you know, you can use this for pickles too. But we did the brine for the chicken. Tells you how to do all that, cook it up and everything. We put this chicken in here overnight last night, and we're gonna take this out. All right, so I'm gonna put some seasoning on that. I'm gonna put the Kickin' Chicken, Weber's Kickin' Chicken seasoning. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And I'm gonna put that on there just to give it a seasoning coat on the outside, but I'm really wanting this dill pickle juice to pop. If it's anything like the tenders are, then they're gonna turn out great. So on the regular breasts, we're gonna use the McCormick's. For today, we're going to use a McCormick Sweet and Smoky Rub. I'm going to put that on here. We're going to throw these on the grill. We're going to have 2 different flavors here and let people pick which one they want. All right, let's go ahead and put this on there real quick. since these are all the same, I'm just gonna stack these over here. And I'm gonna pull out, oh yeah, look how yellow that is. Man, that's gonna be good. I'll pull out 2 of these. That's a yellow breast right there. I bet that stuff's gonna be tasty. I'm gonna pour some of this kicking chicken on there just to give it a little bit of a extra flavor to it. Nothing too much. I do want that dill flavor to come out, but we're gonna see. I want to see if it's gonna be overpowering or not. I hope it's not, but we'll see. Alright, so we're gonna get this lid raised. We're gonna get the chicken in here. Before we get the chicken in there, let me show you another close-up. Got the dill chicken here, barbecue chicken over here. We're gonna get these things thrown on, okay? Let's open this grill up. Got some good smoke coming out. Alright guys, so we've got these on here. We got the chicken breast on here. We're going to let it cook at about 250 degrees. I'm going to come out and check them in about an hour, see where the internal temperature's at. We'll jump back on here, let you guys know, take a look at them, see what they're looking like, and then we're going to see if we're only going to let them cook another 30 minutes or if they're going to cook another hour, and then we will, we'll let you know what we're going to do from there. Hopefully it'll only take about an hour and a half, but I think last time it took almost 2 hours, so I'm going to anticipate for that, but hopefully it'll be sooner. Alright, we'll see you guys in about an hour. Guys, I forgot to mention to y'all the internal temp that we're trying to reach. We're trying to reach internal temp of 165 degrees. That's what we're shooting for. That's where you want your chicken to be internally. Is between 165, maybe 170. The USDA minimum is 145, but I don't want mine that low. I want mine at 165. That's where I like mine at. Most people do. Some people want it a little bit cooler on the inside, but I like mine at 165, between 165 and 170. I do apologize, we forgot to mention that to you guys, but that's the internal temp you want to shoot for. Alright, so we'll see you guys in about an hour. Alright guys, we're going to flip this open. It's been about an hour since the chicken's been on. We're going to flip it open, take a look at it. I'm going to see if I can get a good reading on it, show you guys the reading as we get it, and just see where they're at, see if they need to cook another 30 minutes or if they need to cook another hour. But, let's take a look at them and see. Well, they're looking pretty good right there. We're going to use our Expert Grill digital meat thermometer. Poke this in there. 127 on that one. Probably still have a little while. Take a look at this one. 144. So some of these are almost done. 138. 135. Get that sucker out. Come on now. Let's check this one more time. 136 on that one. All right, so looks like, I don't know, they may end up cooking for about another 30 minutes, maybe another hour. When we come back out here and check them again, I'll let you know what the final cook time is. I'm probably gonna spritz them down and turn them over and everything. Spritz them with water, that's all I'm gonna do. And then we'll, you know, let them cook some more. I'm probably gonna come back out and check them in about 30 minutes. And if they're done, I'll jump on here and let you know. If they're not done, I'll see you guys in about an hour. Either way, they're looking good. I'm getting excited about it. I'm curious how these, I guess we call it dill chicken. I guess that's what we'll call it, dill chicken breast. We'll see how those turn out. All right, so we'll see you guys soon. All right, so this chicken's ready. The barbecue chicken actually got done before the pickled chicken did. That's what we ended up calling it, was pickled chicken. The barbecue chicken got done before it did, so I went ahead and took it off. I actually had to flip the chicken over to this side right over here. So it was right over there. Had to move it over here, and it's finished now. So we're gonna take it off. We're gonna put it on here, cut it open, see what it tastes like, and hopefully get you guys some good results. So y'all give us just a second. Now with this chicken, I did spritz it down with water maybe every 30 minutes to an hour. It did end up taking, it actually took about 2.5 hours for this chicken in particular. I imagine that's because it sat in the refrigerator overnight in the pickle juice. So, you know, I mean, I think the internal temperature was probably a lot colder than what the barbecue chicken was. But I ended up turning the temperature up to about 300 degrees right after our hour check. I turned it up to about 300 degrees. Still took this thing about an hour and 15 minutes to cook. So we're gonna cut this open real quick, see what it looks like, get a good taste. All right, let's see. Still nice and juicy. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh yeah. And that kicking chicken gives it that little extra kick. I think it really turned out great. So I'm gonna take another bite. You guys try this recipe. Like I said, I showed you at the beginning of the video, Mrs. Wage's kosher dill pickle mix. If I can find it on Walmart.com or something, maybe Amazon, I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link in the description below. Definitely try this. This was awesome. This really, you don't even need any barbecue sauce for that. It tastes amazing just the way that it is. I do want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching us. Thank you for all the support that you give us. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell. That way every time we put out a video, you get notified. Share our videos, that way more people can get to know us and everything. We do appreciate all that you guys do. We would not have a channel if it weren't for you guys. Do stay tuned. We're going to be doing a giveaway soon if we've not already done it. So, you know, you guys just continue to watch, and we thank you for all the support that you give us. We do want to say that we love you guys, and y'all remember, this is God's country. Y'all have a blessed day.